GIDT Travel.
Exploring the 54 cultures of Vietnamese ethnic groups in just one day, is this impossible? It seems like a big challenge, but there is a place that you can immerse yourself in this incredible diversities of Vietnamese cultures. That is Vietnamese Museums of Ethnology.
Vietnam is a multi-ethnic country which is composed of 54 ethnic groups. With a view to preserving and presenting the cultural heritage of these ethnic groups, the Vietnamese government decided to establish a Museum of Ethnology in Hanoi. The museum journeys began in 1987, reflecting the Vietnam dedications to cultural preservations, which include more than 50,000 items of comprehensive artifact collections, more than 42,000 photographs of extensive visual documentations, 373 videotapes, and 237 audio tapes, which multimedia archive. To get there, you can take a taxi or a Grab, the Southeast Asian's versions of Uber, from the city center. Alternatively, you can take the bus number 14 or 38 from the Hoàn Kim Lake, which will take you directly to the museums. The ticket's price gonna be 40,000 Vietnam dongs. The museum organized its indoor exhibit into distinct thematic sections, each focusing on various aspects of ethnic group culture, including daily life, rituals, custom, religious belief, and traditional practice. It showcased an impressive collection of cultural artifacts, such as traditional clothing, tunes, musical instruments, household items, and handicraft. Each item is carefully displayed with informative labels, which can bring you to the real atmospheres of ethnic village. Not only displaying static objects, the museum also brings a more realistic feeling by integrating modern means of media. For example, multimedia installations, including video documentaries, audio guides, and interactive display that enhance the visitor experience. These elements bring to life the story, traditions, and daily life of ethnic groups, creating an engaging and dynamic atmosphere. The outstanding feature of the museum is its use of realistic dioramas and the lifelike displays. For instance, exhibits that simulate the traditional village setting, festival, and work-up environments help visitors visualize how these activities would have occurred in real life. These displays are often accompanied by informative text and audio guides to offer additional context. The outer exhibition space brings the traditions and cultural practice of Vietnam ethnic groups to life in a way that the indoor galleries cannot. This is the home to full-scale replicas of traditional ethnic houses and buildings. These include still house, particularly from Tây, Hmong, and other Northern Highland groups, communal house, longhouse, and other dwellings that reflect the diverse architecture style of Vietnam's 54 ethnic groups, providing visitors with a tangible, immersive experience of traditional living environments of various ethnic communities. This area also features live demonstrations of traditional crafts and skill, such as waverings, pottery making, and good carvings. These demonstrations provide visitors with hands-on experience and insight into technique and process used by ethnic groups to create their daily items and artistic work.
So this area is look exactly like the old house of my grandparents' house. As a northern of Vietnam, people in every old hometown have this kind of ba gian house. which ethnic groups that impressed you the most in today's trip?
Well, so far we have only gone through three places here. This AD, the other one, but I think Viet people are the ones which impresses because they are minority, but the majority of the country.
Yes, I've been to.
You are Viet too.
To places that you have gone. So if you have a chance, like living in that house in one day, which one would you choose?
I like this one which keeps it cooler. It's in the column, ventilation underneath, and very cozy and length.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
And this is the chosen house. Let's explore inside. Each house of an ethnic group carries different symbols, representing the concept and belief of that ethnic groups.
This is the Zhao house from the Zhao ethnic groups, and let's exploring inside.
Being able to touch the objects in the house offer a unique experience, truly making me feel immersed in the daily life of the local people. If anyone want to have this kind of experience but haven't sure which reputable and quality tour to choose, you can check out my Hanoi tour link in the bio. Feel free to sign up for the experience tour through that link.
Just imagine you're lying here and it's raining outside. It's such a cozy place.
After all, I must say that this area is spacious and peaceful, surrounded by greenery and open air. It offers a tranquil atmosphere for visitors to enjoy as they explore the traditional houses and cultural display. The layout encourages explorations and reflections, make it a pleasant and engaging way to experience Vietnam's rich ethnic heritage.
And our challenge was completed. Hopefully that after a tour around the ethnic houses, you will love the diverse color of Vietnamese cultures even more. Goodbye and see you in the next video.
GIDT Travel. Your smile, our happiness.